Thank you guys for watching my channel. If you're new to my channel, don't forget to smash that like button, comment down below, share this video, hit the notification bell to see more videos like this. What's up, you guys? In today's video, we will be making baked beans and oven baked barbecue chicken. The items you will need are a 1/4 a bowl or 1/2 a bowl of milk. Next, you will need 2 eggs, you will also need sea salt, ground black pepper, ground cayenne pepper or red pepper, Once you mix your wet mixes and your dry mixes or your seasonings together, you let refrigerate from 2 to 24 hours. I'm about to start on my baked beans. While I only let my meat sit in the refrigerator for about 4 hours. While I did that, I put my baked beans on. And what I did was I poured my baked beans in the pan. I cut like a 1/4 a bell pepper into small pieces. And then I poured them up into the baked beans. And then after I did that, I cut my onions up. About a 1/4 onion. And then I poured them in the baked beans. I put maybe 4 teaspoons of mustard in there, and then I drizzled some barbecue sauce and drizzled some ketchup also on there to complete my baked beans. And I also later on you'll see me put the baked beans in the oven because I had forgot to put the brown sugar on there, but I go back and put the brown sugar on there later after I get through cooking for probably about 3 to 5 minutes. But you're supposed to go ahead and add them into the recipe, but I had forgot, so I took them out the oven when I thought about it and put the brown sugar on top of the baked beans. After 4 hours of refrigerating your oven baked chicken, you will get it out the refrigerator, and then you will oil both sides of your chicken. Once you oil your chicken, season your chicken. You can season your chicken a little more with salt and pepper, and on both sides, and then put it in your oven for 40 minutes. You're gonna turn it every 20 minutes. After that, you will take it out the oven. After you have used a total of 40 minutes, you take it out the oven and you put barbecue sauce on it with a brush, and then you put it back in the oven for 5 or 10 minutes, and it's done. When you cook the chicken, make sure you put a parchment paper in your baking pan, and then put a rack on top of the parchment paper and set your chicken on top of the rack. So I am about to drizzle the barbecue sauce on. After 20 minutes, you're supposed to drizzle both sides with barbecue sauce and brush the barbecue sauce down all over both sides of the oven baked chicken. But I just tested one out and only did one side because I wanted to make sure it looked it up good. So but as the video goes on, you'll see where I baste the rest of them both sides, and I cook. After you baste both sides, you let cook for about 10 minutes, and then you are done with the basting and barbecuing. Your food is done, and you'll see the results. Until next time, NQ Vlogs leave with you peace, grace, and goodwill. Thanks for watching. Bye.